10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, but I only have 2 because, well, I don't know, they got lost. A little bit. And that is the grill off. Now, all we've got is a 10 mil here and a 10 mil here. And then this headlight will come out to put in the new bulbs. Alright, now I should be able to pop that out. Some will have a clip on the back side that you need to pop out. But now we can pull the harness off. Alright, now we're going to take a Phillips head, take the cover off the back to actually get to the bulbs themselves. And there we have both of our bulbs, high and low beam. Make sure, when you put the spec together, make sure the seal's all good. Don't want your headlights leaking, getting condensation, ruining them. Here in the box, 4 bulbs, high and low beam for each side. But here's my factory one. Here's the new one. Just like that. LED. We're going to close this up and we will have LED bulbs. So I did want to add, just in case, that this is pretty foolproof. The bottom one is going to be this super long one, and this is sort of adjustable height-wise. So you need to hold on to the bottom while loosening or tightening this. And then this little black one is for the top. One last thing I did want to point out on these bulbs as well is it does have a positive and negative side on here, because you know, you always run into an LED, you plug it in one way and it works, but you plug it in the other way and it doesn't work because the polarity on it. But you know, you can usually figure out which one is your positive. Like there's my red and black, and then this is my blue and black. But obviously you'd plug it in positive side to that positive side, negative side to that negative side. But some bulbs will plug in either way, like this one you can flip around. But they do give you that little peace of mind. You can see this one in there, but it's under this connector. But anyway, now look at that. Every single bulb on this truck is LED now, except for the interior.